guys, it is Jerika from JERIKASYNCERE.com and welcome back to my channel. So today I am partnering with Oh Baby Boxes, and I'm so excited to partner with them for this video because, as you guys know, I am expecting my first little one after 9 years of infertility. And if you didn't hear about all of that, then I will link that video above, whichever side it's going to show up on. I'm not exactly sure. So make sure you go check that out. There will be more videos about my fertility journey and all that kind of stuff coming up soon, so make sure you're subscribed. And yeah, so they hit me up about doing a collab, and I'm so excited because I've always wanted to do or see about doing a baby box collab. My sister has 3 kids, for those who don't know, and with her 3rd pregnancy she decided to do a pregnancy box subscription. So I was excited to see what she was going to get in her box every month. So when they hit me up, she did a different company, by the way. So when Oh Baby Boxes hit me up, I was really excited because it was a different company from what my sister used. So it makes me excited to see what different products they'll have in this box, and I'm just so excited. So if you would like to see what is in the box, then keep watching. All right, so first of all, what makes me so excited about these subscription boxes is they start at $39.99 a month, and they have over $100 worth of products in there. And the stuff that they give you guys is top notch. So it's nothing little cheapy. No little cheapy products are in these boxes, okay? Like one product probably would be like $40, which is already taking care of your entire subscription cost. So I'm so excited about that. So let's open it. All right, so I'm opening the box for the first time, okay? I got this box in the mail yesterday, and I was telling my husband, like, don't open it. He wanted to open it, but I'm like, don't open it. I want to open it on camera, and I want to see what's in there. So the first thing it says here, it gave me a little pamphlet, and it says 2nd trimester because I'm in my 2nd trimester. So I will be looking at that later. And they have it just packaged so cute. I got to get a picture of this. I have to get a picture of this, you guys. Excuse me for one moment. Okay, I had to get that cute little picture, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I don't even want to rip it. It was packaged so nice. Everything was so nice. So the first thing they got is a onesie. It says Mini Boss on it. I would take it out, but I just did my makeup and I don't want to get makeup all over it. Oh, it says Mini Boss. That is so cute. You know what I want to know why I love this? Because I love it because it's perfect for me and it's perfect for my baby because of how I'm like hustling and doing my YouTube and blog. So I absolutely love this. I don't know exactly what size it is. It doesn't say, but this is so stinking cute. Second thing is, it says Chloe Emerald Rose Quartz, and let's see what this is. I'm not even exactly sure what this is. Oh, okay. It says so much tension is held in your face throughout the day. With the Rose Quartz tool, you can remove the tension, improve circulation, instantly lift and relax all muscles in your face. So this is one of those face roller things, and I say face roller things because I don't even know what you really call them. But you just rub these along your face. I've seen people use these, and I've never used one. I was trying to decide like if it's something I needed to add to my skincare routine, but now that I got one, I actually think I will use one. Let's see how much this costs by itself. This by itself is $28. The subscription box is $39. So one product is already making the box worth the $39.99. Like, well, they start at $39.99. So that alone makes this box worth it. The next thing that is in here, it says, ooh, oh my god, this is heaven sent, you guys. This is heaven sent. It's so crazy how the Lord works. This is the Stretch Mark Belly Serum. It's cruelty free, vegan, clean, fragrance free, and it is natural. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a decent bottle. This is 4 fluid ounces, and I'm curious to see how much this costs by itself. Like, we about to find out. Wow, this serum by itself is $32.99, you guys. Oh, and it looks so pretty. I'm loving this bottle. I absolutely love it. This is so cute, you guys. I absolutely love this. I can't wait to take pictures with all of these products as I use them. This just gives me more content ideas. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about that. Like, that just made me excited about everything because I want to make sure that I put serums and creams on my stomach. Like I don't have any stretch marks yet, obviously. I'm only 19 weeks, so I don't have any stretch marks yet, but I wanted to make sure I keep up with that. All right, and this here is the Mindful Mixtures Peace Out Be Happy Therapeutic Essential Oils, and this has organic MCT oil, which is coconut and palm. It says organic essential oils of bergamot, lavender, and orange. And it says shake well, roll onto wrist, back of neck, chest, and massage onto bottoms of feet. So this is nice because when you're pregnant, you have to be really wary of essential oils that you're using. So it's nice to have some essential oils that I can use that I know will be safe for my baby, because obviously nothing in this box is going to be harmful for your little one. Next thing here is the Root Prenatal Multivitamin Fizzy Healthy Drink Mix. This is in the flavor lemon ginger, and it says with super greens. It says no pill choking, no sugary gummy chewing, and it's non-GMO. So this is a multivitamin, a prenatal vitamin in drink form. I've never known that there was prenatal vitamins in drink form, so that's really cool. It's 24 in each box, so this will last you close to a month. And it says here that it supports neural tube support, it's tummy approved, so it's gentle iron, vegetable blend of organic greens, B complex, eye health, and a probiotic blend. So this is nice. So it has literally everything in here you could possibly need for a prenatal vitamin. That's awesome. And it says for pregnant or lactating women, drink 1 packet per day, which totally counts towards your daily water intake. Best of taken with a little food in your stomach. How much water is up to you. You can start with 4 ounces or you can use up to 12 ounces. So, this is cool. I wonder how much this costs. Wow, this is $30 by itself. You see what I mean? Like each product in this box is about $30, so it makes it so worth it. So this is really cool. I'm going to try it out and see how it works. I'm on a prenatal vitamin, but it wouldn't hurt me to try something else. Next thing here is we have the Mama Waist Extender, and this just gives you more wear out of your pants so that you can wear your normal size pants. For me, I only have high waist jeans, so I don't think this will work for me with the high waist jeans, but I'm planning on purchasing some low waist jeans so that I can actually use this. It says temporarily adjust the size of your favorite pants throughout your pregnancy and beyond. So it just straps right in your pants so you don't see your underwear because you're leaving your pants unbuttoned. So I think this is really cute. It just fits right in this little pack. My sister had gave me one, but it's nice to know that I have a backup. Last thing in the box, let me make sure I got everything. The last thing in this box is the Oh Baby Boxes Milestone Blocks. Wow. So if you're going to be somebody like me who loves photography, like who already does photography anyway, so you have the little milestone blocks. So I would think that these are blocks with the baby's age. Oh, it is. I got to take it out. Oh, it is. Okay, so you have the blocks, and they have months, weeks, days, and of course you have the actual, what? Okay. You have the actual numbers on here, so they go from 1 to 0, obviously like from 10. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. I plan on taking them monthly. I don't know about weekly. We'll see about the weekly. The weekly might be a little too excessive, but we'll see about that. So that was everything that was in my box, you guys. It was pretty heavy, and like I said, just about everything that this box included was about $30 by itself. So getting a subscription pregnancy box is honestly, if it's something you want, if you want to try new products, or if you want to get more products for your money, I highly recommend going with a pregnancy subscription box. And I really like the products that they chose for my second trimester, so I'm really excited about that. And I just want to thank Oh Baby Boxes again for sending me this package. I really appreciate you guys for reaching out to me to partner with me for this. And yeah, it's just so cute. I love it. I'm so excited about it. I cannot wait to use this Barely Serum. Like, I'm going to be using it tonight. Okay, so if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at jerika.sincere and my blog at www.jerikasincere.com. The links for everything for this subscription box will be down below, so make sure you open it, click the link. And again, it's the subscription boxes start at $39.99 a month, so you will be getting a whole bunch of products for your pregnancy needs at a really good price, and you'll get them as often as you choose. It all depends on what you choose to do when you sign up. But that is it for this video. So I thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.